Hello, we're now at the last video of this section, Other Policy Analysis. Previously we looked at information flow analysis. In this video we'll first try to compare policies with SE-Diff, and then analyse policies with SE-Policy. Two additional tools, SE-Diff and SE-Policy, exist that provide some insight into the current SE Linux policy. The next two subsections cover these in more detail. Comparing policies with SE-Diff. The SE-Diff tool, part of the SE Tools package, looks at the differences between two policy files and reports the differences to the user. It does not provide patch-like capabilities, which the regular diff does, but is powerful to find and analyse small differences. A common use case for the SE-Diff tool is to validate that a source-built policy file is the same as the distribution-provided binary policy file. Administrators can then be certain that the source code they use to build a policy file is the same as that used by the distribution to provide the provided policy. Its basic usage is simply to provide the two binary files. Now, let's try out a few commands to explore this. Type cp, followed by the path for the policy directory, and give the destination file location. Click Enter. It asks to overwrite. Say yes. Type vi localpolicy.te. And here are the rules that we're going to add to our file. Save and exit. Type cat localpolicy.te. And now you can see the policy rules that we've added to the file. Next, we use the make file command. localpolicy.pp. Now we load this using SE module, as we did in the previous videos. It may take some time. Again, we use the cp command with another file. Type yes to overwrite. Before we go ahead, let's check all the files created with the ls command. You can see both the files, localpolicy.pe and localpolicy.pp, created by us. Let's print the working directory and change the directory. Again, we use the ls command to see the files we created. You can see both the files, policy after .30 and policy before .30 are here, that we created. Finally, let's run the SE-Diff command. Press Enter. It may take some time to load. It's possible to direct SE-Diff to only show differences in a particular area, such as available types, roles, booleans, or type enforcement rules. Another tool provided through the Policy Core Utils package is the SE Policy application. We've already seen this application in action, as it shows basic information about an SE Linux policy, such as boolean information. The utility has a few other tricks up its sleeve, however. With the SE Policy Communicate command, administrators can quickly see whether two domains can communicate with each other through a single intermediate step on the file level. This is similar to the information flow analysis we saw before, but it only focuses on files. Let's type the command se-policy communicate -s mozilla t chrome_sandbox_t. It will ask for the installation. We say yes. Yes, proceed with changes. It's downloading the packages and now installing. So you can see that it's done. Another analysis that SE Policy offers is a bit like domain transition analysis. It shows which domain transitions can occur in order for one domain to reach another. It does so through the SE Policy Transition command. And here's the SE Policy Transition command. Here's the output. That's all for this section. In this section, we looked at various methods for analysing SE Linux policies. We started with a single-step analysis, using the SE Search and SE Info tools, and discovered that those tools have a lot of information to offer to administrators who want to analyse the active SE Linux policy. Next, we used the Apple, SE DTA and SE Info Flow tools to perform more in-depth analysis of the SE Linux policy. We ended the section with a few other analytical utilities. One of these was the use of the SEDIF command, which displays the differences between two policy files, allowing administrators to ascertain whether an active policy on one system resembled another. I hope that with all you've learned in this course, you'll be able to accomplish and handle all the sensitive administration tasks. At the same time, I'm sure you'll now be confident to create your customized policies and build systems which are really secured. Best of luck, and goodbye for now.